Good morning. It's Cindy, and I'm on my nature walk this morning. And let me tell you, it's a beautiful morning. It's really calm, and the last couple of days has been not bad. And this is the sunrise for this morning. Good morning. I hope everyone's doing well. It is Monday, the dreaded Monday. It is 5 o'clock in the morning, East Coast, and I'm on my morning walk. And this is what the morning sunrise looks like. The sky is beautiful. This is the Piscataquis River in Maine, where I live, and this is the beautiful sunrise for this morning. The birds are chirping so nice. It is a gorgeous day. I think today the highs are only supposed to get, I think the high is supposed to get 88 degrees. Tomorrow, I think we're in a heat advisory today and tomorrow. I think the humidity is going to be crazy and calm. This is the way I love summer. The winter here in Maine is so harsh. It's freezing, snows all the time. It's beautiful. Oh, that's a beautiful sunrise right there. I hope everyone's doing well this morning. I live in the East Coast. I live in Maine. The bugs this year are crazy. That's why I keep showing you I'm putting bug spray on. Oh my gosh. You'll never guess who came back for breakfast. Guess who came back for breakfast? View of him. Oh yeah. Now that's more like it right there. He's looking for breakfast. What was that cartoon? There was an eagle cartoon. No, it was Bugs Bunny. And he was always tormenting this eagle. The eagle wanted to get Bugs Bunny. And Bugs Bunny was always pulling a fast one on him. I can't remember what that eagle's name was. Oh, that's a pretty... Oh. There he goes. Into the sunset. Dun, dun, dun. She's bright now. I love the sun in behind like trees and stuff. Very calm out. I'm on my walk. This is the River Road. It's one of the oldest roads in Howland. We've got postcards of this river, of this road back in like the 1900s. I'm gonna have to dig that postcard out and then like do a show of, because they have like an aerial view of this road, what it looked like, all the houses and stuff that used to be on there. I'll do like a before and after kind of video. That would be cool. Comment if you want to see that. If you want to see postcards of what Howland used to look like back in the 1900s and then what it looks like now. Half of the buildings are gone, of course. If you like these kinds of videos, these nature walks, like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell every time I upload, and come join me on my nature walks. That's like morning temperatures for you, but for us here, it is brutal. Because the humidity is crazy. Bye. Now that's bright. God sure knows how to make some beautiful things. It's the truth. It's hiding behind those trees. Bye. Wild strawberries on the side of this road. See them? See if I can pick this one. See? There's quite a bit here. See how there's strawberries? That one's a little not done yet, but normally you want to do it, pick these when it's later in the day, when they're not so wet. Because the minute you touch them, they smush. Yeah, there's tons of them. See? This is strawberries. Bye. See? The strawberries. Oh, wild strawberries. See? Without the tops. These are good. See? Those are good. Hi everyone, it's Cindy again, and oh, there's a bird right over there. I'm back with another video. There's birds all along this tree. I'm in the shade today. I'm on my second walk. I like to do nature walks, and I throw a little lifestyle in there. You know, in the morning I'll make coffee or make my smoothie and show you around town and stuff like that. And today it's pretty hot, so I'll probably be in most likely spots with shade in it. Backpack with water in it. Stay hydrated. Stay hydrated, everyone. I'm gonna walk down this path. Let me tell you what. I hear the ticks are horrendous this year. I heard that they were finding them on people, finding them on kids. Oh man, it's terrible this year. What are these guys doing? It's like they're checking for something. They might work for the town. Doing something. Catching flies or something. That's weird. And I'd rather walk in grass than cement sidewalks. It's twice as hot. I'm glad I sprayed my legs. I usually use that off spray, 40% tick and flea resistant. I use that a lot. And here's the fire department again.